Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Just wanting to talk to you about the Wise Owl microfiber towel set. The microfiber Wise Owl towel set, it comes in this really handy little pocket here. It has some mesh on it as well, so you can make sure it's inside before you do anything else. And then also a little hook on the packet here as well. What I really love about these is not only that they are super lightweight and really, really absorbent, but it's this little hook here that they have. So it's not just a loop where you would have to find like a hook to put it on or something like that. Even if you have like a rod, you can actually open the snap up and then put it on to make sure it doesn't like fly away. So I've been using this one a lot when I go on my long runs. So today I went on a 19-mile run and I took this with me just to keep my face dry and things like that. So I love the fact it is super lightweight, super absorbent, and dries really quick. So it went really well while I was out. So you can take it on any of your activities as well. And then it does come with this bigger towel here that is 24 inches by 48. So a really nice one that you can pop either on your yoga mat or use at the beach as well. And it also has the really handy little snap top loop as well. So I love them. I think they're fantastic value. They take up minimal space, like they fit in this tiny little bag. So great for all those activities where you don't want to be lugging a lot of stuff around with you. And I love them, and that is my point of view.